Voluntary participation in mediation, your choice, your voice. Voluntary participation in mediation, your choice, your voice. Voluntary participation fosters collaboration and problem solving. It also empowers parties to control their own outcomes. What is voluntary participation? Voluntary participation is the heart of mediation. Participating in a voluntary manner means you choose to engage in the process freely, without being forced. Voluntary participation doesn't mean you have to agree to everything. It also doesn't mean you can't have strong opinions or advocate for your needs. It is okay to have differing opinions because mediation is about finding mutually acceptable solutions. It's not about giving up your rights, but rather exploring your options. Involuntary participation. Involuntary or forced participation can lead to resentment and unproductive sessions. Agreements reached under duress are not sustainable or enforceable. Involuntary participation damages relationships and future communication between the parties. Court-ordered mediation. Some jurisdictions may require participation in court-ordered mediation. This may include areas such as small claims court or family mediation. However, this does not mean that you are giving up your right to a trial. But rather the court wants you to explore other options for your case that have been proven to be helpful. Notes on your jurisdiction. It is important to understand the specific rules and requirements in your area. So be sure to look them up, or to ask a lawyer. Remember, participating in mediation empowers you and gives you a voice in shaping your future. We hope you enjoyed learning how to participate in your mediation voluntarily. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.